Hi, I'm Matt from the Monitor Audio Group, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Atessa CD Transport. The Atessa CD Transport can be connected to an Atessa or Caspian amplifier to enable users to appreciate their prior CD collection in glorious high fidelity. Before we get started, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Now let's start unboxing the CD Transport. So let's have a look at what you get inside the box. You get a quick start guide and safety instructions, a remote control and batteries, your power cords, and a digital coaxial cable for connecting to your amplifier. Now let's remove the product from the box. Now we've finished unboxing the CD Transport, let's get it set up with an amplifier. For this, we're going to be using an Atessa streaming amplifier. First, we'll plug the digital coaxial cable from the CD Transport to the designated input on the amplifier. To finish setting up your CD Transport, you'll need to add it to your system on the Maestro Unite app. The Maestro Unite app allows you to set up your Monitor Audio Group connected products, create systems, download firmware updates, and configure your listening experience. Tap the arrow, then select Add Device. Select the device you wish to add from the list. Then Maestro Unite will copy all the existing network data to the new product. The system is now set up and ready to use. Now you're ready to enjoy your CD collection through the Atessa CD Transport. For more information, visit roxanne.com or leave a comment on this video.